How to export your orders from AliExpress to Google Sheets. First, open the Google Chrome Web Store. Find the extension called AliExpress Shopper Inventory and add it to your Chrome browser. Click the extension icon at the top right, then toggle the switch to start capturing your orders on AliExpress. Once your orders are captured, open the Saved Products tab and click the Export to Clipboard button. Now, open a new Google Sheets document. Simply paste the data into the first cell. If you found this video helpful, like and share it.